Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I'm here representing my company DRP Enterprises, and it's demo day, and everything starts out with demo day. A lot of times you don't even know what you're getting into when you get into demo day. There's all kinds of different things you can run into, and that's what happens on a job like this. So we start by ripping off the railings, the deck boards, and then start determining what else we got to do. You might even think this is going to be a rebuild, so the ledger board may or may not be good. We come to find out when we got into this, it's not even bolted to the foundation. There's nothing, the way it's supposed to be. So that leads to a little extra work. So that's the stuff that happens on demo day. And we're used to that, and we're used to seeing what's coming, what's not coming, that kind of stuff when we do this stuff. But everything starts with demo day. That's the fun day. That's the time when you take everything out, you rip it apart, you can just go at it, and then you start looking at the vision and what it's going to look like when we go ahead and fix this up and replace this. So that's where it starts. Doing a video today, we'll show you the end result as well from a video. If you're watching the video and you're in South Jersey looking to get some work done by DRP Enterprises, we do all types of exterior wood restoration, and we build all kinds of decks from wood to the composites. Any kind of, mostly we're dealing with Trex, but we do use decorators. We are a Decorators Pro, a Trex Pro, we're a Wolf Pro, we're TimberTech Pro. So we can build the decks if you're stuck on a material that you want to use, but we can build any type of deck. We have great carpenters, we have great staff that works for us, and it builds these. It makes the vision come true, that outdoor living experience. So it's not just the deck, but it's all the other stuff. And the reason for doing the video is to show something different, because we're going to have to rebuild the flower box that's in front of me. And there's a lot of other features that this deck had that they're going to want to continue with the new deck. And they have a nice area in the back with the pavers and the pool. There's a pool actually behind the camera. So it's a really nice outdoor living space, a nice area. And DRP Enterprise is going to enhance it and make it better. So check out some of the other videos, subscribe to the channel, see some more of the work that we do at DRP Enterprises. For people watching this, you might get some really good ideas, and we'll talk to you soon. Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, known in the industry and across the nation as the Wizard of Wood. Hard to believe that I'm right here in South Jersey, right in your neck of the woods and in your area. So you're fortunate to have the Wizard of Wood and my team that I've taught, and I have taught over 10,000 contractors across this country and helped create the standards in the industry. So you're lucky to have us right here in South Jersey, and we're here to serve you, and we have for over 31 years. Thank you for watching our videos at Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises. And now that you have watched those and seen some of the information that's on there, hopefully you went to our site and visited some of the other stuff we have at www.deckrestorationplus.com. And then the next step is obviously to give us a call, 609-268-3436. Call our offices. We can answer any questions, get your information, educate you if you have questions about composite decking, new decking, restoring, repairing, anything to do with any exterior wood, log homes, decks, fences, and all that stuff. And you might even get a chance to talk to the Wizard himself. So please give us a call, and we'll get an estimate scheduled. Love to meet you. Thank you for watching our videos.